We've learned a lot about ways to add efficiency to our water heating efforts, and now we can add one more: wastewater heat recovery.
Instead of letting hot water just escape down the drain, we can harness its residual heat with this, a wastewater heat recovery unit. It captures hot, warm wastewater before it drains out of the house and extracts residual heat out of it to warm the next tank or draw of water family members will use.
Now, this water can be captured from bathing or washing clothes or using the dishwasher. Now, this works well with all types of water heaters, but it works especially well with on-demand and solar water heaters, as well as units that have storage capacity to take advantage of bigger water dumps, like from a dishwasher.
Here's how it recovers the heat that would otherwise escape. As warm water flows down the waste drain, incoming cold water flows through the spiral copper tube wrapped tightly around the copper section of the waste drain. This preheats the incoming cold water that goes to the water heater or fixture, such as a shower. Now, the water streams never meet.
This is a great add-on to new construction, but it also fits well into a remodel, or if you simply want to upgrade your water heater. Prices range from about $500 to $1,000. The installation is fairly simple, but you'll need a qualified plumbing or heating contractor to do all the work. They'll cut part of the drain line out and replace it with this unit, and then run the cold water into the bottom of the unit, and then the tempered water will be sent back to your water tank. It'll earn back its cost for anybody remaining in their current home for the next 5 to 10 years. And it's a great strategy for anybody wanting to save money on water heating and boost their energy conservation efforts.
That's right, Megan. It's definitely an interesting option to consider. To find out more about energy saving and conservation strategies for your PowerHouse, visit PowerHouseTV.com and AlliantEnergy.com.